good time. We are, right? One very remarkable transformation na nangyari sa buhay ko mula noong 2016 sa when I was in show business, ang reputation ko alam yan, one of the most difficult artists to work with. Ano daw, masyadong mabusisi, masyadong kabisote, masyadong mateknika. Because, para ako lagi may hinahanap na sikat ka, pero parang may kulang. Until I was assigned to the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. The beautiful people, we have them there at the back. It's continuously, every day, provided me with such immense and powerful inspiration. It changed my whole perspective about government. Dati ang OWA, pinapadala ko lagi saan-saan. And each time I sing, I just thought, kanta ka. Lapit sa isa, Angie Magban, mabigyan $1,000. Kahit anong gawin mo, $1,000 ang bayad, napakapulipot ng OWA. Hindi ko alam na ngayon na nandito na ako as administrator, kung ano ba na yung epekto ng kanta mo, ano yung epekto ng bawat isang picture taking sa isang OFW. It provides them with extra strength to endure the challenges they face abroad. And lahat ng mga taga-OWA, including yan, quite a number of you here understands. Every day, we face problems that most people don't face. We mastered it on how to solve it. It's not easy. Alam niyo, yung bawat isang lumilipad na OFW, isang bubong ng naitatayo sa pagkainan, napupuno ng pagkain, may mga bata na nakakapag-aral. And in my life, I never knew I will be so involved in others. Just forget about the Bagong Bayani. Hindi na yun. Alam niyo kung ano na-discover ko rito? It's just about people. You were given this profound chance to help. And we are so fortunate sa OWA. We're very well funded. We just need to work. Pero yung mga nakita ko doon, isipin nyo, ako taping-taping lang ang alam ko, nilalait-lait pa ako lagi. Ako yung nakarating sa gera, ako yung nagbubukas ng mataul. Sa Egypt, Sudan War, I was there. In the middle of the war. Israel, lakad ako ng lakad, doon pala talaga yung nagpatayan. I was there. Alam mo kung this. But I'm so thankful. I'm 61 and probably spend more years with this profound realization of the beautiful experience to be seriously involved sa ikabubuti na yung kababayan. So this last number,